Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to construct a spinthariscope. A spinthariscope is a device that allows you to visualize radiation. It allows you to visualize disintegrations of ionizing radiation from a radioactive material. Materials that have commonly been used in spinthariscopes are thorium, americium, and radium. How a spinthariscope works is that the ionizing source of radiation, such as radium, americium, or thorium, releases an alpha particle which interacts with zinc sulfide, releasing a color glow. It is important that the zinc sulfide has been activated. If it has not been activated, then it will not glow. Some doping agents that are commonly used to activate zinc sulfide are silver, copper, and manganese, each with a different color, silver being blue, copper being green, and manganese being red. You can see when I hit the zinc sulfide with the black light, there's a little bit of a blue glow that comes after this. Because this zinc sulfide that I got from United Nuclear has been activated with silver. Now, onto building your own spinthariscope. What basic principle I'm going off of is that you have a zinc sulfide coated screen, and then by that coated screen you have an ionizing radiation source. Now, I like these coin holders, so I'll be making a zinc sulfide screen, putting it in the coin holder, closing it up using staples, then putting on a radioactive source in one other one, and sandwiching them together. And then you have your spinthariscope. You can also do this with any other material, such as washers, where you have your zinc sulfide screen, close it up, you put your radioactive material, close it up, and it's the same concept. Now to make the screen, I'll be using clear packing tape. What I like about clear packing tape is you can spread the zinc sulfide over it and it'll stick to it, making an even layer to be used. So begin by cutting a small piece. Then, taking your zinc sulfide, opening it up and grabbing something to get it out. Then spreading it over the surface. Doesn't take much, so any excess can be dumped off and used later. And you have your screen. Next, you're going to want to put it in your device for holding it. And there we have it, our screen. You can see that we have a glow off of it when we hit it with the black light. Now we take our radioactive material and place it in the back. And we can attach it in a couple methods. I'll just be using a few pieces of electrical tape. and a bit of cleanup. And there you have it, your Spinthariscope. Now time to burst your bubble. You won't be able to see this in daylight, and you'll have to wait about 15 minutes in the dark to allow your eyes to adjust to it. But when you can see it, it's a kind of cool effect.
This is what you'll be able to see once your eyes have adjusted to the dark. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you want input on upcoming videos, check out the link in the description where you'll find my Discord server. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments section down below.